Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp not working step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data because WhatsApp requires an active connection to function properly. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for WhatsApp, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours and then reopen it. This fixes temporary glitches that may be causing the issue. Then you should restart your phone. Restarting clears background processes that and can also remove many app related problems. Then head over to your app store or your Play Store and then search for WhatsApp, and then make sure you've updated your WhatsApp app to the latest version from the Google Play Store or App Store, as outdated version may stop working properly. Now if you're using Android, go to settings, then go to apps and then go to storage and clear cache to remove temporary files. If the problem continues, long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app and then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the app store, search for WhatsApp and then download it again. That's how you fix the WhatsApp app not working. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more helpful guides.